Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the splice function of an array. So let's first create an array over here. Let's just say constant numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the numbers array over here. And the method is numbers, that means arrays dot splice. So what this method does, splice method is used to remove the elements from an array from a given specific index. So you will be providing the start index from where we want to remove the arrays, and we can also specify how many elements that we want to remove. So there are the arguments over here. You can see that start argument and how many delete we want to do. We can also use this to add the elements to it. So let's see that. And one thing to note over here is this splice function will change the original array itself. So suppose if I do the slice function over here and I'm passing the index 2, that means from the index 2 it will remove the elements from the array. So if I do console log over here and if I do numbers, let's run this, and here you can see that we are getting just 1 and 2 over here. So everything from the index 2 is been deleted over here, and this deleted list we can get as a return value. So if I do constant removed data equals to numbers.splice, and if I print this over here removed, then let's run this again, and here you can see that these are the elements that have been removed from the numbers array, and this is the numbers array existing. So this way the splice function will work for the array. Now the other parameter is how many elements that we want to remove. So suppose if I am defining that we want to remove 2 elements, so that means from the index 2 elements will be removed over here. So let's run this again, and here you can see that earlier it removed every elements, but after defining that we only want to remove 2 elements, it has just removed 2 elements and the rest of the array we got. So 1, 2, then 3 and 4 are removed from the second position, second index that we have provided, and the rest of the elements are there. And if you want to add the extra element also, then also we can do using this way. So first element is the index from which we want to delete, then how many characters or how many elements that we want to delete, and after that we can define what elements that we want to add. So suppose after that I want to add 20, 21 over here, and if I run this again, here you can see that I just removed 2 elements from the second position, that is 3 and 4, and at that particular position I have added 20 and 21. So this way we can remove the elements and we can add the elements also using the splice function. It is not recommended to use the splice function to add the data, but if you want you can do it. Now suppose if you want to add the data without removing the elements at this particular index, then what we can do is we can just pass 0 over here. So that means at the second position it won't remove any elements, but it will add this particular elements over here. So if you run this again, here you can see that nothing is removed over here. So we are getting empty array over here, and at the second position 20 and 21 is been added over here, and the rest of the elements are placed after that. So this way we can use this splice function of an array in JavaScript. I hope you will like this video. So please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.